So now we are going to conduct the connectivity test. First of all, we will be looking at the routing tables of routers. So we can see here this routing table is the routing table of router 0, and this explains how it routes the packets that are sent from a hop to the next hop. We can see here, for example, this gives us a clear route that the router takes when it is routing, for example, this right here, or these, or any other one. This basically means that any data from this network is transmitted to the next hop, which is assigned as this IP right here. So, for example, .66 is this right here. This is .66. This is the next hop, and the network is set here. Now, why doesn't these ones have a next hop? Because these ones are the network and the IP address that is directly connected to router 0. As you can see, the .0 and the .1. .0 is basically the network of this address, and the .1 is the address of this router. This is the router 0's routing table. Now we are going to take a look at router 1. We can look at router 1's table as well, as you can see here. Router 2, same as before, it gives us a clear indicator of how it routes. Router 3, router 4, and now router 5. So here we are going to show the ARP table. Of the switch. As you can see, there is nothing. You can see from here as well. There's nothing on switch 0. Next, we are going to test the connectivity. We are going to see if each network can connect to each other. Let's start from PC1. We go to command prompt and we will try pinging the server, which has the IP address of this. As you can see, the first one timed out, the second, third, and fourth got it correctly. But if we try it again, all 4 will be successful. Now we will try pinging APC from area 2, which has this IP address. same as the server. The first request timed out, but if we try to ping them again, all 4 is now successfully received. Now finally, we are going to ping the third area, one of the PCs in the third area as this IP, and we are now going to ping it. Same as before, the first one timed out, and the next ones were successfully transmitted. Now we are going to test if the other PCs can connect to the server. We are going to ping the server. So this is successful on PC4. And now we are going to ping from PC8, which is the third area. We are going to ping the server again. This one is successful as well. We can see that the connectivity is fine. So now we are going to continue. Now, after we've used some of the switches, now after we've done our connectivity test, we check our ARP table again, and from the before one, it has seemed that there's nothing changed in the ARP table of the switches. And that's about it for the connectivity test. Thank you for watching.